Kia ora guys, good to see you back. Today's mission was to get on the boat first thing and get the battery boxes glued down and the batteries put in the boxes so I can get them out of the way. I didn't do that this morning. What I did was finish off the solar, making sure that all the solar panels were wired correctly, that the amp meters, the voltage meters, they all work correctly, and that the aircon works on the solar, and all those are a big check. After lunch I'll be heading over to Tiare. I'll be gluing down my battery boxes, mounting the isolation transformer, and trying to sort out where I'm going to put all the other bits of Victron stuff I've got. Back on board Tiare. Almost. It's full of drinks, tools. Ooh, just about go over, eh? This one's full of bits and bobs. My bob box. Okay. My ladder. Okay, here we are. Woohoo! Jesus, dirty birds. Woo, no hair. So much better. Big blue box full of copper and iron and a few electronics just to give it a bit of a brain. So this is going to go underneath here. It's going to sit under there. Let's move this box out of the way. Yep, so it's going to sit under there. Shore power comes in from there, goes through there, and then it will come just through a hole there and into there, and then from there it will come out into my inverter charger multi-plus just there. Anyway, let's get this mounted. Righto, let's get this on here. Somehow, now this weighs about 20 kg I think. It's a fairly heavy little thing. When you can't just stand over it and lift it up, you've got to move it into place. Oh fuck. Right, I've got it resting on a bit of foam there, just to get it into sort of some type of height. Hopefully I've calculated this right, and this will just sit in there nicely. Yeah. Oh, fuck, bench pressing. Not quite. Nearly. Right, not quite. Oof me! Yeah. Right, let's have a look if that's alright in the behind there, eh? I can't actually see this, I might look at the video. That's supposed to be sitting, oh, can we see that? I'll review the video in a moment. Looks about right. But there's enough airflow there, I think. Oh, can't really put it down much lower because my piece of wood only comes, there's a couple of standoffs behind here. Yeah. And my piece of wood just reaches those, so I can't come down much more than that. So, oh, it's in. There she is in all her glory. electronics board at the front there to turn everything to do what it wants to do, and the brains behind it. Yep, and she's nicely screwed down underneath there as well. A couple of screws you can see there. Just Perspex I've bent up with a hairdryer and a little bit of mechanical protection against anything that might drop on the terminals. Now we'll just put this lid on here. This lid gets hinges on that far corner there, or on that far edge, so the whole thing can lift up. Done, well placed anyway. I've still got to take all the batteries out and make sure they're the right way around and everything else, but at least that's a start. I've just finished, end of the day for me, so I'm going to go home. I've managed to glue my battery boxes down, put the batteries in, I'm pretty happy with that. Mounted the isolation transformer, and have also just done the my little stern light there. My anchor light didn't seem to want to come on, so I've got to climb up there and find out what the story is, which is a bit of a shite really, but never mind, it's what it is. But anyway, thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you later. Cheers guys.